Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I actually gonna see some of the parts that I actually got that came in. This was the fuel pump that I had ordered. Actually came a little late, but it got here. Um, then there was this guy here. This is my clock and turbo timer that came. Turbo timer. This was the rev counter. Different things in there. Shift light. The other stuff was my chassis harness for when I'm actually looking to upgrade. Not sure exactly how I can use this yet, but we'll see what happens. And then there was my ignition coil on plug. These were actually from Amazon. This is the S2000 coil on plugs. This is my cam sensor and crank sensor that came in as well. Oh god, a lot of people messaging me right now. Yeah, that's the cam sensor and this is the crank sensor. And I also brought in some heads for building up my harness and stuff. And this is basically the harness that I started for my computer. So far I am getting some stuff done, but slowly. And I believe hopefully by the end of the day I should be able to give you all an update. So I'll get back to you in a second.